It's your boy Wavy Baby. We here at the Swavy house. About to unload the FD, you know. You see these wheels though? Oh my god. Best wheels in the company. The Pokemon Master Sebastian. Sebastian, man. You gonna say what's up? Fuck you too. Oh, we're gonna have to bleep that out. I can't say that on camera. What's up, Bear? Mr. JDM Navi himself.
Hello.
It's good, big dog. There. Oh shit. The boy from the Bay. Oh, Aaron kinda gay. Oh! That was good, dude.
Hey, the house is not complete yet. We're still working on it. I got the garage, you know, most of it clean with the help of my friends.
We're gonna get it done soon though.
Definitely gonna. And show them all the cars, bro.
Yep. We're gonna start with the S13. Finished. Right now it has no motor, no trans. They just pulled it. He sold a KA motor for $1,200. Yeah, pretty fucking crazy. But he's about to drop the LS1 that's in the FD in there. Quick look at this real quick. So sexy. If you know, you see the kit. You know what's gonna go on.
They only get to see the hood and the hatch.
Easily.
Because the kit's actually going to Oscar in 2 weeks.
2 weeks.
He'll finish it because I suck at putting body kits together.
Hey, can you pop the hood real quick?
I mean, it's open. You can just lift it up if you want.
Nope. There. Pretty fucking slam. How close are you to the ground, bro? Oh shit! Legend. Kev FRS. One and only, baby. The pink starter kit. I mean, I would show you guys the interior, but can't see through that shit.
Are you ready?
Oh, hey, Cody, what do you have? He has a B series motor here. Boosted. I mean, obviously it's a Honda. Like, it's not much looks, but it's gonna be crazy. Oh, we gotta show Aaron's car. Come on, man. Look at Aaron's car. You see it, baby?
That's a 4-cylinder, dude. You showed that Nissan Quest? Oh,
the Frontier?
I'm gonna get in the car, and then these guys are gonna push it because I still haven't installed the automatic hitch yet. That'd be the best way. And roll it back, and then we're just gonna push it straight. Because I don't want to put the ass inside the car. It's way too loud. Somebody got me from the back.
From the back?
Wait, the brake. The brake's off, baby. Hey, man, turn one straight.
Woo! Slow.
Keep going.
You're on ramps.
Baby! Break.
Jesus Christ, dude. You're fucking going to the ramps, dude.
Should you try starting it? Yeah. Let me stand back because I heard it's loud.
I have some terrifying news. Has been just so freaking bad for us. Well, this week my Crohn's been triggered up. You know, my stomach, I've been in a lot of pain. Our cars got broken into at our own place because we don't have any cameras yet. So if you're watching this and you try to break into our cars, fuck you. Okay, but don't do that. That's not cool, dude. We're gonna get some cameras. It's crazy. I'm up late, and this is the first time I didn't hear anything. Cody's wallet. Yeah, my neighbors are going like crazy, so I'm just gonna go back inside. My basketball backpack got jacked. Glove box was open. I don't know what they took. I can't find what I was exactly missing, so I went through it. So far, it looks okay. My two pair of shoes are gone. Kevin's car was open. Don't worry, no one took his steering wheel. Everything was there for Kevin. I'm glad. Someone broke his freaking windshield. I think our neighbors just hate us, even though we're not that loud. Saddest news of all. I was supposed to drop the FD this following week to the body shop. I was tuning the car. Everything was going great, and next thing you know, this freaking I'm gonna just show it to you guys. Yeah, that's like all my freaking oil. Not all of it. Well, that's at least 1 quart of oil. I'm pretty sure it's the rear main seal. This is the 3rd time I'm gonna be pulling this freaking motor out. So I don't know, man. Something with this car, I'm just cursed. What's going on? I just can't even finish my car sometimes. I don't know what's going on. But we're not gonna give up here. You already know that was never the freaking case. I'm pretty sure it's just some random tweaker. My stepdad also got his wallet jacked, and Sebastian at his house got his car broken into the same fucking night. It's so crazy. This motor's coming out, and I am not gonna put the motor back in, cause this motor is going in the 240. Yes. And for the FD, I'm sure you guys know, we got the fucking 2J0 to drive the car just a little bit for, you know, a couple shows maybe or something. That is not gonna happen. 240 already, you know, I already sold the motor. I'm sure I've told you guys before. I have the mounts for the car, for the LS, and this motor is pretty much built, so it's ready to go. I'm gonna pull this motor out. I'm taking this car to the body shop. I'm literally putting it on the trailer, taking it to the body shop, have them, you know, put the velside kit on, and I'm gonna be molding the velside kit. It's gonna be 101, so this is something new. I've never seen it before. Maybe some of them done it, like I said. And I might have him paint the engine bay. I might have him paint the car. I don't know yet. I want to wrap it myself. I've already gave you guys what's been going on for the past couple weeks. Yeah, usually when my stomach goes bad, I'm not motivated and I'm just in bed trying to recover, rest up, and depressed. Depressed. I'm gonna get started on this today, and hopefully I can. It's like 8 o'clock. I think I should be done by like, you know, like 30 minutes. I'm just kidding. I don't know how long it's gonna take. I'm gonna try to do like the fastest I can. I know I have all my friends are over right now. Shout out to my cameraman Bear. Since the FD mounts are gonna be custom mounts, I have to, once the car is done with the body shop, I have to take the FD itself as well as the 2J to one of my buddies. He's gonna do custom mounts for me and then bring everything back here. So we're gonna remove the hood first and roll the car just a little bit back. Let me turn this way so I can see myself. Roll the car just a little back so we have plenty of space here. I'm gonna take the headers off, the drive shaft off after the car's jacked up again. Hook this up. The show goes on. Let me give you guys an update for what I have done so far. I've spent about 45 to like an hour, I think, last night. I was gonna pull it out last night, but it just kind of a little too dark down there. To you what I've done so far. I've removed the Holly harness, radiators removed, intakes removed, coil pack wires / spark plugs, those are removed. Fuel rails are here, all the injectors are removed. All I have to do is remove the headers, which I'm in the process. Disconnect the drive shaft, remove some part of the exhaust, remove the motor mount, hook the hoist up, and that should be ready to pull. Pretty simple process. It's not too bad, but yeah, I usually keep all stuff organized. Ignore this. Yeah, we're pulling 2 motors out today. They already got one taken out.
Kevin, pull, come on.
Come on, hold on, slowly. Oh, fuck, hold on. Hey, anything stuck? Can you check Josh real quick?
Fuck, bro, my dick's like...
Only thing is on is this one. I have to, oh, let the train, man. I have to take this one off.
Hey, this ain't no Honda engine.
Bro, they got too many extra cylinders. That's just the wire. Shut the fuck up, bro. Stop scaring me. That one bolt got all the way in them.
Shit's not even fast.
Oh, what the fuck? Alright, so we got the motor out. Oh, it's leaking right there. See? Alright, well, after taking everything apart, our garage looks like a complete mess. We were so tired last night. So it did take me, you know, an hour more than expected. So about 4 hours. And Cody also took the motor out, so technically we did take 2 motors out in 4 hours. because we only have one engine hoist and we have to share pretty much. Yeah, so after going over it yesterday, I figured out where the leak was and I was right about it. It is a rear main seal. So let me show you guys. This where it was leaking from. The seal was completely out right here. It's a brand new seal that I put in. Wanted to, like, you know, tilt the motor and see if it's leaking again, because I did it before and it was dripping like insane. So yeah, that issue is fixed. Pretty much gonna take the Holley harness out, wiper motor, those hoses, maybe a couple components from here, roll the car back, and get ready to take it to the body shop. And
Oh, that ass back, bro.
You gotta. Oh shit, I'm about to fall. Hey, okay, go DR, go DR, go D-Will, go DR, go DR. Oh, it's your right hand.
Yo, with my slipper spot. Look.
It look like he walking in some high heels.
I can do that. Trailer. What do you think?
You can do it on trailer.
Yeah, just take whatever this off, you know. We'll just load it up today.
Oh, fuck. Journey gun.
I can do this.
Who the
fuck you think I am?
Hey Kevin, grab on the battery.
Hey Kevin, I appreciate that, my dog.
Kevin, bro.
Go get my battery on the right side of Cody's car.
Fuck. Hella fuck. He just came here like a...
Damn! Man, look at the difference.
You guys, I'm just dropping the body kit off. I'm so excited, I can't wait. If you guys need any body work done, this is the man right here. Paint jobs, body work, custom installs, anything.
Anything you need.
Wait till you see the final product. I'm telling you, it's gonna be so worth it. All right, thank you, Oscar. Appreciate it. I'll see you.
Thank you. Appreciate you there.
Yep. All right, that's it. Peace out.